Okay, everyone, back for another one. So, uh, looks like even with the additional light, haven't been able to get the colors to look super great. So, yeah, I'm not gonna be worrying about that stuff anymore. Uh, if people watch the channel, people watch the channel. I've been obsessing about it, and it pretty much just makes it so I'm driving myself crazy. So I'm just not going to worry about it anymore. As far as this goes, I've got some new colors, which is sweet. I got a deep magenta, and I got a phthalo green. Those are two new colors. I haven't used those before, so I'm really excited on how those turn out. I've got the turquoise, I've got the regular brilliant blue, then I've got the aqua green, and deep yellow. So I'm kind of going for a uh, blue green ish kind of painting. Um, let's see. How did I've already started rearranging stuff? Okay, so the yellow and the magenta, and the blue, they got alcohol. The rest didn't. I think that's part of what's going on with my pores not being torchable. Now I just remember what I wanted to do. I don't have the for my torch. I don't have the top on the canister, so I'm gonna have to run over to my cubicle and mess with that. It's a nice swirl of colors. It's not bubbling too much. Started rearranging my space, my drying area, where I leave the stuff to varnish. What ended up happening, oops, my basement's really cold. I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna do an actual flip, but it's actually looking pretty sweet in there. I don't know if that's enough. You know what? I'm gonna add just a little bit more. Yeah, we'll call that good. No, get a little bit of the turquoise in there. So, okay, now we're good. My basement is not very well insulated, and it doesn't get any heat. So whatever's on down there, like the only heat that it gets is what's coming up through the floors. So my paintings are drying out in like 18 hours, less than a day at the very least, and all the stuff I did over New Year's cracked. So that's not really good. So I went up and rearranged everything up here, and I got a little bit of space. I was hoping to do like some 16 by 20s or bigger, and now I can't do it because I don't, the cabinets, I gotta go up and finagle, and if they're wet, then paint's just gonna get all over the place. But alright, let's see what's going on with this one. Not looking too shabby, I don't think. I don't see like a whole lot of yellow. Oh, just a little bit right there. I'm losing a lot there. not getting too many cells right now. So this is where I'm really hoping. Yep. Of course, paper towel. I always forget. There's a lot of white on top of it, although it kind of gives it a nebula look. This is kind of neat right there. But okay, let's see if I wake the kid up or not. Well, good news. First, the most important is I didn't wake up my daughter. The second is the torching worked. So yeah, all that time I'm sitting here like, why isn't it working? Why isn't it working? It's because, well, dummy, you needed to put alcohol in every single one of them. So it's let's see, I got pretty much on everything. Alright. See, this is the thing is I always kind of feel like I want to modify it, but you know what? I'm gonna put just a little band right through here. Let's see if that. Yeah. No, I'm gonna run it all the way through there. Let's reinforce this just a little bit. Pretty much out of paint, so. Come on. You can do it. Dump it just a little bit. It's dragging a little bit. I'll put it down, not torch that. I feel like I might have broken this up a little bit and I should have just left it, but you know what? Burn that a little bit there, but alright, let's bring everyone down, check it out. Yeah. Okay, let's see, how's that looking for color? Yeah, same old, but okay. I'm gonna go and put the photo up and you get a much better look. So I'd say this is a pretty good success. I probably should have broken the white up. The white's overpowering this one just a little smidge. If this would have been other colors, I think it would have turned out nicer. I think this would have been fine, even this, but just a little too much white there. But I'd say it was a really good, successful round of pouring here, so I am quite happy with getting the train going again. So, yeah, check out the photo under the link there. Thanks for watching.